Good morning guys! Welcome back sa ating new video! New blessing! Kakauwi lang namin galing gym mga Marsh. Kaya naman, magluluto tayo ng as usual mga Mars. Egg. Ayan. Sobrang tahimik ng bahay. Kasi wala pa yung pamangkin ko dito. Mamaya dito na naman yan. Dito kasi siya lagi na pumupunta. And tinatawag ko din kasi. And then si Charlie tulog pa din. Wala na rin yung tatay ko. Nagtrabaho na. Mamaya na namang alas 6 yun uuwi. So, luto tayo ng breakfast ni Cameron. As usual na routine niya. Sinamahan ko din siya mag-gym mga Marsh. Kasi yung kapatid ko may pasok siya. Hindi siya makakasama. Pinaano ko kasi yung membership ko. Pinalipat ko sa kanya kasi nga tinatamad ako mag-gym. And pwede naman pala, akala ko kasi hindi pwede pumasok doon. Nagpa-enroll ako last time kasi akala ko hindi pwede pumasok doon na mag-upo lang ba. Later, aalis tayo para may bibilhin. And i-share ko yun sa inyo mamaya guys. This is gonna be exciting day kasi basta. There you go mga Mars. Ito na yung itlog ng aking mister. Na his itlog. The egg ba? That you're gonna eat.
Why are you gonna eat itlog?
Huh? I don't know. So there you go my love. This is the egg of my mister.
I'm gonna get shower now and then I'm gonna eat it.
Okay my love. You're gonna eat your itlog.
Thank you for my itlog.
So I'm gonna go to sari-sari store and then buy coffee.
Oh, okay, thank you love. Salamat.
Salamat.
Gusto kong ng kafe.
Okay.
Please.
Ha?
Please.
Okay. Bili muna ako ng kape sa labas mga Mars kasi maliligo pa naman si Cameron. Iwan ko muna kayo dito mga Mars na babalikan ko kayo no kapag nakauwi na ako. Malapit lang naman dyan lang sa labas. Mars, nakabalik na ako and then ito yung kape na ipapainom ko kay Cameron. And also mag-init tayo ng tubig. Buti na lang may electric kettle dito. Kettle. Electric kettle. Bisayang Bisaya. Sobrang tigas. Magpapainit lang ng tubig para sa cup noodles ko. Yan yung kakainin ko. My love, are you used to cold water now?
Yeah, because it's refreshing and it's not actually that cold.
Yeah, it's not.
It's not freezing cold. It's just
normal.
a little bit cold.
It feels good, right?
Yeah, it feels good after gym anyway.
Yeah, and basta nakaka-refresh kasi dito parang
Cold shower feels more, you know, it's gonna wake you up and feels more refreshing.
yeah, I know. Especially here, it's really humid, like sticky, like it's hot, and it's good when you take shower.
It's good to
Alright, so you go change now and I'll make you a coffee. Kain tayo ng breakfast. Oh, I already have cup noodles and Cameron
omelette, as usual.
and Charlie Boy.
Oh.
Tuwang-tuwa si Cairo kasi nakikita niya yung mga pinsan ko nagsasayawan dyan.
That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do Boondocks.
Update ko lang kayo. Papunta na kami ng shop. And ayun na nga, yung gagawin natin doon, kung saan tayo. Where shop are we going, my love? Come here, come here, come here.
Oh yeah, this video is sponsored by
Ta-da-da-da-da!
my dad.
Yeah, so, father-in-law.
Yeah, he sponsored this video today because we're gonna go to the Honda shop and buy our first motorbike.
Yay!
And then I have my driving tests on Monday.
Yeah, and also he can use his driving license for the
UK
meantime,
license to
3
practice.
months. So, bibili na kami ngayon guys para ipang-practice niya. So, by Monday, you know, he knows. Well, he needs to take practical test because the wheels in the UK
Yeah, we drive on the other side of the road. That's
yeah,
what it
so
says.
kailangan yung mag-take ng
Use a
practical test. So yun nga, we would like to say thank you to my father-in-law
Very much.
for sponsoring us for the brand new motorbike. So kahapon hindi ako nag-vlog, guys. Pumunta kami ng Honda kahapon. I didn't vlog after we went from LTO. So dumiretso kami sa Honda, nag-canvas kami doon. And today, agad-agad namang pinadala ni tatay niya yung yung pambili ng it's been ages since, you know, they talk about it about motorbike.
Been planning it for months.
Yeah, been planning it for months na siya yung bibili ng motor. Kaya today is the day na bibilhin na natin. So isasama pa yung kuya ko kasi siya yung magdadala pa uwi. We're gonna go there with my brother.
Yeah, he's gonna drive back because I don't know the way.
Yeah, he doesn't know the way. So ayan guys, so let's go. Pupunta muna kami ng Robinson first stop kasi kailangan namin ng pera, of course. And yeah, we'll go there first. And I think Charlie is ready now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's go guys! Hi! Tapos ito yung bahay ng lola ko, guys. Ayan, oh. And magbantay na tayo ng tricycle. Actually, may tricycle naman kami, guys. Ayan, oh, yung tricycle namin. Nakapark dyan sa harapan. Kaso nga lang, alang namang, sino naman magdadala niyan pabalik, diba? Alang namang ako magdadala or si Cameron magdala ng pabalik sa tricycle. Eh, hindi naman ako marunong. And walang magdadrive ng motor, kaya pauwi. Kaya, let's go. So, lakad-lakad lang tayo papunta sa tindahan. Wala na naman akong mask. Ayun, ako. Ang hirap. Bibili na nga ako ng isang box ng mask. Ayun na sila, sunod-sunuran, oh. Oh, yung dalawa. Medyo lang naman yung tindahan, guys, oh. Mga 50 steps. Mga 1,000 steps. Charot. Mga, let's say, 50 steps. Ganon. Let's go, guys! Bye-bye! Kami sa Robinsons, guys. Kunin lang namin yung pera namin.
Every day. Every day.
Yeah, every single day. Huh? When? Now? Wait. You wanna stay here first while I'm getting the money?
How much is it?
I don't know. I think you change 50 pesos. Dili! Hello! Hello, Ren! Andun si Cameron tsaka si Ray, oh. Yung kuya ko. Wala! Hi! Follower ko sa my YouTube. Subscribers. Hello. Ano ngaran mo? Angelica Waya. Angelica Waya. Hello. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome. So, punta na kami sa motor shop, guys. Kumuha lang kami ng pera dito. Nagkuha ng padala. Well, galing kay Cameron. Pinadala niya sa pangalan ko. And then, may nagpa-picture din sa amin doon sa, Hoy, Nang! Ikaw na talaga, Angelica. Hi, ano yan? Hi! Promoter kang kang Oppo. Si sexy ko. Thank you, Nang. Ikaw, dito na.
Hi, partner.
Yeah, my workmate before.
Hi, Nick.
Bye-bye. Dito na kami, guys, sa Honda, guys. Ayan. Yes, Charlie. You alright? Let's get inside.
Click
125.
Okay, we have a stop here. This way, sir. Yeah, okay, sorry. Yeah.
White is nice as well. That one. Right? You try it. Try it. Hindi namin. Which one do you think? Well, you decide. It's all. You want blue?
You like the blue one, sir? You can try it. Same color of the shirt.
Yeah. Anong mga nakaramang freebies?
We have helmet, bundle of joy, rechargeable lamp, and free registration for 1 year.
Parati free gasolina.
Yes, meron.
Oh, there is a free gasoline mo lang.
But you have to add.
Yeah.
In order to full tank.
Okay.
Aside from that, ma'am, we have lifetime free service.
Okay.
Lifetime discount on spare parts.
Ito na kami guys sa Honda. Yes, valid ID.
Sorry, just take a seat.
You sit first.
Blue one's still there.
So what color you get?
Blue and black.
Blue and black. Ayan. Cash. Your money. Si Charlie pala hindi na sumama kasi siguro naiinitan siya. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, hindi ka ba sasama kanina? Sabi ko, sumama ka na. Sabi niya, ayaw daw niya kasi may tatawag din siya sa mga friends niya doon sa UK. Are you excited to get your motorbike? What you gonna name?
Falcon.
It's gonna be Maverick.
No, the Falcon Speeder.
Dito kami sa Honda San Jose Antique. Sabi ko nga kay Cameron na ito maganda. Yan cute. Pero ito kasi yung kinuha namin Honda Click 125. Yan, pang service lang kapag kapag sa bahay, pag pumunta sa palengke. So what can you say? Ay, sorry. What can you say?
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, father-in-law, for sponsoring us.
For my Christmas present.
Yeah, that's gonna be your Christmas presents. Early Christmas presents.
I won't fall off.
Ha?
I won't crash.
Yeah. Pinaprocess pa nila guys yung papers. Pero nag-fill up na rin si Cameron and nagkabayad. And then, yung kuya ko, napaiwan yung kuya ko. Kasi sabi niya, sunod na lang daw siya. Pinakain niya lang muna yung anak niya. And iiwan niya din doon. So, ayun. Pupunta din siya dito para kunin yung motor kasi hindi naman siya marunong magmotor sa highway pa. Practicein pa siya. Tuturuan siya ng kuya ko magmotor. 'Di ba? Kaya antay-antay lang kami dito.
So when I get the bike, Ray is gonna teach me on the road how to ride it. But there's no gears, so it should be easy.
Yeah. Are you excited to learn? like how much excited.
Really excited.
You look on the not.
We tried past everyone.
So what are you doing now?
Oh, just waiting to get the back.
Tapos may pa-free silang guys, bihon. Ayan yung free. May pa-free yung bihon. Malab, I think that you have a free like that,
Do what?
Yeah,
Free
the noodles. Ayan. Free nila. Aside sa helmet. So, ganito po yung spec. Ayan, spec ng motorbike. 125. Ayan. And then, yung presyo ng bike is 79,900. So, 100 na lang para mag-80,000. Na malap na. 100 left until it's gonna be 80,000.
Yeah, 1,200 pounds.
Yeah. Is it expensive or no?
It's cheap.
Cheap for Philippine price.
Yeah.
I mean for UK price.
UK doesn't drive bikes, so they're going to be expensive.
Whose girl you gonna put in the back seat?
You need to get a helmet.
Kalo, maybe your BFF girl.
No.
Huh?
You.
Free service here, sir. Check change oil recycle. It's free service. Solid recycle. And our any brand, sir. Have change for yes, after the registration, sir. And regarding your registration, after the sir, you can get your LTO registration here.
So, ito po yung mga free niya. Ayan. And helmet. Oh, it's blue as well, my love. Oh, it's black. Black helmet. With,
Rechargeable solar lamp, ma'am.
rechargeable. We can use this when it's run out.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayan.
This one. You can put it, sir, under the sun. Yeah. Or you
It's a
can use
sol.
your electricity. Yes. Just charge. Run out. You can use this one in your house.
Is it perfectly fit? That's good. So, mag-picture taking muna daw kami mga Mars. Kuya ko para kunin yung motor.
Napapil na kaya?
Ja.
Dapat lang sa motor.
I-ano sa start ka no? Kagiya jaya. Dayang ang seat.
Start.
Saan ako? Bye, Maverick.
Bye.
Bye.
Shout out to Janelle!
Basta may shoutout ka. Dilatan lang naman. So much. Hello. Let's go. Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. And then, after namin pumunta ng motor shop.
Beach. Is it close? Like, I can ride there.
15 minutes?
Is it busy there?
Not really. You wanna go there?
Okay.
No, because someone gonna go here later, the treasuries.
Oh, what time is it?
3 to 5, that's what they said. Ay, 3 to 4. They're gonna take pictures with us. Papunta yung mga barangay treasurer dito ng town namin and para magpa-picture sa amin. So, schedule na nila, guys. They already scheduled their picture. That's why we can't leave, guys. So, and shout out pala sa Jollibee, sa mga crew ng Jollibee San Jose, sa malapit sa plaza. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa inyo and sa pag-hi nyo. And then, shout out sa isang crew doon na fan namin. Kaso nga lang, umalis na daw siya. Pero kilala ako ng mga kasamahan niya kasi yung kasama daw din nila is nanonood sa amin ni fan na fan daw siya. And shout out sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa pag-subscribe. Hello! So, bumili kami ng spaghetti. Kasi nagutom kami ni Cameron. Spaghetti family pan. Ayan. Love, look at the cheesy, guys. You guys, look at that. Ito talaga na-miss ko sa spaghetti, oh. Ang sarap. Kain tayo. Let's try it. Init.
Cool down. We'll eat all of this.
There's a soft drinks there, my love.
Ah,
Soft drinks.
which one do you want?
What else?
7 Up.
7 Up. Please.
What's it quiet?
Sarap ng spaghetti, guys. Diyan yung mga bagong bisita ko. Ayan, pasok kayong lahat. Tag 50 pesos lang kada ulo. Entrance fee, Hey, hi! Hi!
Nagbisita, gano'n. Nagpipicture.
Dapat ang mga copyright may mga filter.
Filter is life. Langin mo, mas lang. Sige lang. Diyan kasi ako. Picture kita. Hi, Charlie. Picture kita rin agad na ano. Let's go. Sino ang picture? Diyan, mga follower. Si Charlie sa likod. Ano ba? Ano ba?